okay, if you just use this system and you're gonna crush your numbers, right? And in manufacturing, of course, they have concepts like lean and continuous improvement and 5S and all these initiatives. Same principles. Somebody has either wrote a book, created a system, captured the interest usually of someone senior enough in the organization that goes, we need that in every department, or we need that in every club, or we need that in every division of our operations. And that shiny object syndrome, I don't know whether you've witnessed it or not. Do you have a take on that? Because you tend to have a very holistic view, I think.
I'm not a carrot and stick person. I like to say, I I want people on my team who want to do the right thing because it's the right thing to do, and they know that over time it will pay dividends. Those dividends aren't immediate. It's not I'm going to do A and B will happen. Usually it's I'm going to do A, B, C, and D times 5/3, and in 6 months, I'm going to see some results from that. And that takes so much leadership courage.